Sangsabog!
Noong bata pa siya,
Si Mom!
kahit mahilig kumanta ay ayaw na ayaw ni Clarice de Guzman na sumali sa singing contest. Nung pinilit siya ng parents niya na sumali, anong ginawa ni Clarice para hindi siya makapag-ensayo?
Hala ka
A. Ginupit ang mga cassette tape ng -1 niya. Or B. Naglalagay ng bawang sa kilikili para magmukhang may lagnat.
Oh no!
Ladies.
Letter A tayo, guys. Oo. Pinunit ang kasket. Ang kaset.
Cassette.
Anong kasket?
Kasket.
Anong kasket?
Teka lang. Anong pinunit?
Ano yun?
Kaset.
Paano mapupunit yung kataon? Ang laki ng kasket.
Kasket? Ano yung
Kasi alam mo,
kasket?
Shubi, dati din nung bata ako, lumalaban ako sa singing contest. Ang ginagawa ko, pag ayaw kong sumali, tinatago ko yung mga CD ko. Pero si Ate Clarice, gets ko siya, pinupunit yung cassette.
Kasket? Okay.
Yan.
Oh, yan.
A.
So, ginupit-gupit ang
Ay,
cassette
nako.
tape.
Yes.
Ay, nako. Kuya Kim, explain mo.
Alam niyo si Clarice, ang nickname ni Clarice ay Klang. Bakit pinangalan ng Klang? Hindi, kasi nung bata pa siya, mahinang kumanta. Ang tunog ng boses, parang kampana. Klang,
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 klang.
klang,
Habang nilalagay ang bawang sa ilalim ng
Para,
kilikili, umiinit ang body temperature,
Oh, yeah.
gumaganda
Klang,
ang boses.
klang,
Imbis na nagiging klang, 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 ang tunog ay
Bawang.
Clarice.
Ay, Clarice. Clarice.
Wala ka bang balak i-explain sa kanya
Yes.
yun?
Pwede
Englishin mo lahat ng
Ayun
sinabi
lang.
mo. Letter A, she used to break the cassette.
So that she will
Ate
not
Klang.
join the
So that
contest.
she can't join the contest. Okay.
She cannot, she
Yeah.
cannot.
That's the another And then the other reason is she puts the
garlic.
garlic.
The garlic.
Right?
In the
Wow,
armpit.
garlic rice.
In the
Ay,
armpit.
garlic. You put the garlic. Because when you put the garlic in the kilikili, you
You'll
will be
get
lagnat.
fever.
You will
Fever.
Fever.
You will
Yeah.
have fever.
Alright. So, Shubi, ano magiging kasagutan mo? Nasa sayo. Nasa yung kasagutan.
Ako kasi knowing Ate Klang, mahilig talaga yan talaga siya sa sa music.
Ah.
Mahilig yan siya kumanta. Love na love ko si Ate Klang kumakanta sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya, my mom.
Ah.
And I feel like ang answer talaga ay the girls.
Yes.
I choose to side with the
Punit.
girls.
Ang cassette tapes, pinaggugupit.
Yes.
Oo.
Are you
Gugupit.
sure?
Very, very sure.
Okay.
Tignan natin kabog o sabog in.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hoy, dapat you have to kiss her. Pag correct answer, dapat may kiss. Ito na ang iyong pangalawang sang tanong.
Sangsabog!
Nung bata pa ay chubby kid si Vince Maristella. Kaya sinabihan siya ng parents niya na magbawas ng rice. Anong diskarte ang ginagawa ni Vince para makapag-extra rice? A. Kinuntsaba ang yaya. Or B. Bumili ng sariling rice cooker at itinago sa kwarto niya.
Englishin mo, Englishin mo.
I will answer this in English.
Yeah.
You know, he tells to his yaya to, okay, yaya, give me some rice. Then his yaya go to the rice cooker, put in the pocket, another pocket. Then when he will eating, then okay, it's like a chicken. Then finish.
No, to make it simple for you, he contrived, he talked to the yaya, and they planned it so the yaya will be able to give him more rice
I
secretly.
see.
There.
Sige po, sige po.
Yun.
Naintindihan na po.
Okay,
Bigyan na.
so that's and then and ladies, what is your Cameroon?
You know, Vince, once upon a time,
Wow. Oh. They
hindi ko din sa'yo?
Parang-
Hindi. I work with Vince as a mother.
Okay.
And then, you continue. I forgot.
Okay. Once upon a time, I worked with Vince as a sister. You continue.
So, Anthony, you know,
British accent?
yes, you know, Vince is my friend. I saw him here in TikTok clock. Okay? Okay. And I go to his
Goto?
kaya mo na yan. I go to his house.
You know Goto? It's
Goto.
rice also.
Goto
He
house.
put it in the rice
Yes,
cooker.
yes.
Yes, he left it in his room. That's why his
Yes.
tummy is big.
Yes. So ano magiging kasagutan, Shubi?
It's the girls. Because girls are
Okay.
always right.
Let's go.
Girls. Okay. So it's a final answer. Bumili ng sariling rice cooker.
Yeah.
Yes, once upon a time. time.
Yeah.
eto na.
Yeah. Here. Girls, the right answer.
Sariling rice cooker. Kabog or sabog? In!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Sila nagsabi! Test for one.
Grabe.
Ako niya pa rin, Chubby! Wait lang. You became white na tinaka na.
Oh my.
No, it was Hailey. I promise, it was Hailey.
Wala. Masisi ka pa, Hailey.
Hindi ba kayo na?
Sinunsyaba ang yaya.
Tapos
Yun
na
naman.
yun.
Oh, no. Tall and white and handsome now.
Yes,